It's already bad. I told my dad I was coming. He sent me a bunch of hemorrhoids medicines. This is easy. The easiest one from them.
So I'm curious how you absorb this one.
It's so good, guys. I love it. This show is good for who have like problems with taking sh. How
does that work? This whole like cat licking of the milk thing. Is that working out? Immediately.
Que isso? If somebody comes to my I will do this. The last one hurt so
I
bad.
know. You are brave. That you are a warrior. Because you took on the wings of death as someone who's never eaten hot sauce in their lives. And you are still on your feet.
I killed
and now
it.